Eggplant, also known as aubergine or brinjal, is a warm-season vegetable that is commonly grown for its edible fruit. Eggplants are a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and are used in a variety of dishes around the world. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. In this video, I will provide a brief guide on how to grow eggplants. Climate and soil requirements. Eggplants prefer warm weather with temperatures between 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. They grow best in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. The soil pH should be between 5.5 and 6.5. Seed starting. Eggplant seeds can be started indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Sow the seeds in a seedling tray or pot, keeping them moist and warm until germination. Transplant the seedlings into larger containers or into the garden once they have 2 sets of true leaves. Planting. Plant the seedlings in well-prepared soil with a spacing of 60 to 90 centimeters between plants and 90 to 120 centimeters between rows. Eggplants should be planted in a sunny location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Watering. Eggplants require regular watering, especially during hot and dry weather. Water deeply, but do not overwater, as eggplants are susceptible to root rot. Fertilization. Apply balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks throughout the growing season. Eggplants also benefit from a side dressing of compost or well-rotted manure. Pest and disease control. Common pests that affect eggplants include flea beetles, aphids, and spider mites. Diseases that affect eggplants include verticillium wilt, bacterial wilt, and powdery mildew. To control pests and diseases, use insecticidal soap, neem oil, or other natural remedies. Rotate crops to prevent the buildup of soil-borne diseases. Harvesting. Eggplants are ready to harvest when they reach full size and are glossy and firm to the touch. Cut the fruit from the plant with a sharp knife or pruning shears, being careful not to damage the stem. Eggplants can be stored in a cool, dry place for several days. In conclusion, eggplant farming requires attention to soil preparation, proper planting, watering, fertilization, and pest and disease control. With the right care, you can grow healthy and productive eggplants for use in a variety of dishes. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.